So the first thing that you have to do is scan with your phone camera this QR code to download the app. This camera comes with 3 modes: is night vision, black and white, night vision with the color, and the regular vision. The basis is rotatable, so you can rotate the camera without problems. You have the reset button here, and also that space is for you to add a memory. The lines on the base are magnetic in case you want to install it with the magnet that comes in the box. And also you have the way to talk from your phone, the camera. Here the camera is set up in the living room right now, and I will use it there to see my baby when it's my turn to go to clean my garage. You can take a screenshot, and if it is dark, you just have to change the focus and everything will be seen perfectly. You can also add an alarm to detect the movement, and you will receive a notification in your phone. I want to make one more clip so you can see how clear is the resolution of the camera, and the notifications arrive quickly when they see someone passing by. I can recommend that product for you 100%.